So here in a little pandemic getaway with Luxury Latrice and Luxury Hans. Say hi, Hans. Hi, Hans. And we're at one of my favorite hotels, actually in the world. My favorite hotel, certainly in Pacific Beach in San Diego. It's the Surfer Beach Hotel. And we're right here in Pacific Beach. And you can see that, look, there's the beach right there. And that's the reason you stay at the Surfer Beach, because it is literally right on the sand. It's right on the Pacific Beach boardwalk there. Just walk across the boardwalk and you're right on the sand. And you have a nice swimming pool here. You can see you have the balcony rooms. And then that's a really good restaurant that's right on the property called world famous PB. So this, I guess you'd call kind of a junior suite. We have this area over here with a couch. We have the bed here. Again, this is a basic hotel. You're staying here for the location because you're right in the heart of Pacific Beach. We just had some great takeout from world famous PB downstairs. Really good restaurant. No matter if you're going there for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, they really have great food, and it's not very expensive either. So you have kind of a little mini bar area here with a microwave. You can see it's compact, nothing fancy, but again, you've got that great location right on the beach, and you can see we have a nice little balcony here, and then here you can see the water, and you can see people eating there at world famous PB. And it's cool. It's a great beach. There's even good surf, and there's a surf school right out front that gives surf lessons. So again, Luxury Fred here at the Surfer Beach Hotel with Luxury Hans and Luxury Latrice here in Pacific Beach, which is a suburb of San Diego. Hey, thanks for watching. You can see more at luxuryfred.com, and of course follow me at LuxuryFred on social media. And it's dog friendly too.
To leave, and we left right on time so the group of people came over. I'm so glad we left, because that would have been a problem.
So we're in Pacific Beach, which is a neighborhood just north of San Diego. And you got a whole lot of people surfing.
I might go walk around.